An astronaut's mind, heart, their mental wellness, a key mission-critical piece of equipment. We are losing on Earth our veterans at a rate of 20 a day nationwide. And Healium is mental health armor that quickly allows you to see and train your feelings. In 3 peer-reviewed journals, Healium has been shown to quickly reduce anxiety and increase feelings of positivity significantly in as little as 4 minutes. Hi, I'm Sarah Hill. I'm the CEO and Chief Technologist in Columbia, Missouri, Kansas City, Missouri area. Our team right there has a combined 80 years experience in game design, development, neurofeedback, biofeedback, clinical practice, and psychology. We are harnessing the power of the brain and heart for the self-management of anxiety in ways that are uniquely positioned to lower the stress reactions in those brains. And we are using Healium in areas of acute, situational, and confined stress. The Healium apps in augmented reality and virtual reality work like this. We're harnessing the power of your consumer wearables, that biometric data, your EEG, your brain patterns. We're live streaming it inside the environment and allowing you to heal virtual worlds with your feelings of positivity, calm, and focus. Your feelings go above a certain threshold, you're able to illuminate the sun with your feelings of positivity, calm, or focus. Float up the side of a waterfall in virtual reality. Our apps are on the AR and VR app stores, iOS, Android. You can download them right now or go to our website at tryhealium.com on our e-commerce site. We sell them as kits, virtual reality goggles that can be paired with an optional wearable like a Muse brain sensing EEG headband or an Apple Watch, a smartwatch, that you can power those virtual worlds. Healium has revenue. We have $900,000 in revenue over the life of our company. We recently signed a licensing deal that puts our stress management kits on up to 20 airlines for passengers of long-haul flights. And it's not just airline passengers. Up in space, there's a gap. For pilot stress, you reduce stress, you increase working memory, which reduces the likelihood that you have mission-critical errors. Stress is the 21st century epidemic. We have a patented technology to a $300 billion budget and people killer. We need investment, research, and strategic partners to help us grow more virtual peace. Help us help more of the world heal with Healium as a reminder that our thoughts have power to control things not only in the virtual world, but the real world as well. Please come to our booth, check out some virtual peace. Thank you.